Tomorrow is the UPS sale, so that means we have 5 brand new kits coming to the shop and we are nowhere near ready. I still need to print overlays and we had a printing malfunction and the blue ink was not printing last night. It was clogged, so I am reprinting some sheets that we still need. I just posted some polls on our Instagram story asking for foil color suggestions, so I'm currently giving it some time before I decide which foil colors. Here are the full boxes for the new kits. I just have one of each right now, but I will be making a set so I can share with you what the new kits look like. The new kits are supposed to go live tomorrow at 6 a.m. for the Ultimate Planner sale, so hopefully I can get these done before the end of today. I definitely want to get this video up before the sale goes live, and I'll be sharing all of the sale details in the description because there's a whole bunch. We're offering a ton of deals this weekend, but let's see if I can get these new releases done soon. Quick little ink refill since it ran out of ink. I have the foiler machine going and I am about to foil all of these new releases. Okay, I finished foiling all of the new releases and I'm just pressing it under this piece of quartz since they do get curled from the laminator. But once they are flattened a little more, I will take product photos and then finally show you a little flip through of tomorrow's releases. In the meantime, I wanted to show you our grab bags that we will be offering during the UPS sale. These grab bags are actually going to be a doorbuster on Sunday. So if you are interested, we'll be having, it says 35 piece because we accidentally sticked on the wrong stickers, but they will be 50 piece foil grab bags. They are filled with all of our $2 Tuesday foils. We have a whole bunch of them made already, as you can see. So each grab bag comes with 50 pieces, 50 sheets of foil, and it pretty much contains collections from our spring $2 Tuesday. So think Valentine's Day, Easter, floral toppers, butterfly, sakura, botanical, all of those foils will be in these grab bags. And then we also will have a second size of grab bags. There's more back there, and these will be 35 piece. Again, ignore these stickers. I'll have to print some more to stick over these, but we have 35 mix grab bags and it'll come with pretty much everything else that we offer. So like monthly kits, weekly kits, journaling kits, deco, functional stickers, everything else. It'll be a mix in these grab bags. So if you're interested, they are a doorbuster. They're expected to go quick. So these will be going live on Sunday at, I believe, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It might be 9 a.m. I'll have to double check with Lucy, but just so that you are aware, we are doing lots of grab bags. As for the rest of our shop, we'll be offering 25% off of the entire shop. So that includes all of our stationery, so washi, Willem sticky notes. We also have pens. Our scripts and our icons will be 25% off. And then same with our journaling kits and our weekly kits. We're also doing 50% off of our sale items. So our discontinuing kits, they will be 50% off, limited stock, just whatever we have left of our discontinuing items. And then we are having a little surprise on Saturday, surprise doorbuster. So check back to our Instagram on Friday where we'll be announcing what that surprise is. And that's pretty much all of the sale details that I have for you. If you want to know what freebies we'll be offering, check out the description. I finally have taken product photos, have them uploaded, and I am ready to share with you a quick little flip through. I don't want to make this video way too long, so it's going to be a quick flip through of the 5 brand new kits we are releasing tomorrow for the Ultimate Planner sale, which again starts at 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. It's a little bit earlier than our usual release time, so keep that in mind if you are shopping and you want to catch the sale early. It starts at 6 a.m. Pacific. So just getting started with our journaling kits. So this one is called October. All of our journaling kits are 2 pages. And this one is called October because it matches with our October monthly kit, features the same art. If you are interested, we have an A5 wide monthly kit that is foiled and it's for October. I don't have it here with me, but we do have that available, as well as the matching deco sheet for it. Next, we have Pumpkin Patch. So here we have the little deco sheet that goes with it. You can purchase it separately. And then we have the 2-paged journaling kit. This is what it looks like. I love the florals in this one. It's just the perfect fall kit. Moving on to the next one is Evergreen, and here is the deco sheet. My nails actually match with this kit. And then here is the matching journaling kit. Love all the greens. And then our last journaling kit is called Boo. And we have 5 kits, but we only have 4 journaling kits because one of the weekly kits is a photo kit, so that's why we don't have a journaling kit for it. But here is the deco sheet. Comes with lots of florals, and then we have the journaling kit. And then next we have the weekly kits, the foiled 4-paged weekly kits. Thank you to everyone who voted in our Instagram poll picking the foil colors. It was super helpful. So first up we have Boo, and this one is in gold foil. It's your classic Halloween kit. Not too spooky. This one is definitely a cute Halloween kit. So if you're just looking for something with classic Halloween oranges and purples, this one is for you. And then here is the headers and the bottom washi. I am loving the florals. All the kits have lots of florals in them. Here's the boxes page, and then we have your date covers, sidebar stickers, we have layering stickers, and these cute little scallop circles. So that is Boo. Moving on to the photo kit that we have here. It's called Hydrangea, and it is in rose gold foil. So here is a closer look at the full boxes. I love hydrangeas. My parents actually have a whole row of them, and they are currently in season. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they are purple in this kit, but we have blue ones and pink ones here at our house, and they are just so pretty right now. So this is a great end of summer kit. Hydrangea, and then here is the bottom washi. Then we have our boxes page. Since it is a photo kit, the rest of the kit is pretty simple. This would be great to add lots of foil to kind of spruce it up and add a little bit more texture to this kit. Next is one that I am really excited about. This one is called Evergreen, and y'all voted for a silver foil, which I was expecting gold foil, but I think since the colors are pretty cool toned, silver does look fantastic with this kit. So this is just a great camping kit, a naturey kit. I love this little log cabin. It's so cute. And then here is the headers in the bottom washi, and I'm obsessed with the washi in this kit. It's the most gorgeous landscape ever. And then here we have the boxes page. I love all the little leaves. Just looks so good all together. And then here's the date covers, sidebar stickers, and we have our layering stickers. So that is Evergreen. Next, oh my gosh, we still have 2 more kits. Okay, we have October. Again, this kit matches with our October monthly kit. So I wanted to make it a little bit Halloween inspired, a little bit spooky, but not too pumpkin-y, if you know what I mean. So we do have some spider webs, and I love this quote box here. It says, "Trust the mystery." And it's just an absolutely gorgeous kit. It's in rose gold foil. Here we have the headers and the bottom washi. I love the foil layered with the florals. Here's the boxes page. And then we have our date covers, watercolor swatches up here, sidebar stickers, layering stickers, and of course our scallop circles. So that is October, and then finally our very last kit that we will be releasing. Wow, I can't believe we're releasing 5 kits tomorrow. They will be 25% off, so highly recommend you go and grab them while they're on sale. So this one is Pumpkin Patch, and it was a really close vote between light gold foil and rose gold foil, but light gold won just by a little bit, and I'm really glad you guys voted for light gold because I think it matches perfectly, especially with that light pink color. The quote box just says "Hello Fall." And then here is the headers and the bottom washi. Again, lots and lots of florals. Here's the boxes page. And then we have our functional page. So that is Pumpkin Patch. And that is all 5 brand new kits we are bringing to the shop. Highly recommend that you go and check out the Ultimate Planner sale this weekend. I believe there are 40 other shops participating, so go and support. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing some of the behind the scenes of how I prepare for new releases. It's definitely kind of a mess, but I'm so excited for these new kits, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite out of the 5. And if you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any time we upload a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!